Unlocking the mystery of monotone speech. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson on a fascinating aspect of the English language. Today, we're diving into what it means to speak in a monotone. Whether you're learning English as a second language or refining your communication skills, understanding this concept is key to mastering the nuances of effective speaking. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the mysteries of monotone speech. When we talk about someone speaking in a monotone, we're referring to a manner of speaking where the speaker's voice does not vary much in pitch. In simpler terms, if a person talks in a monotone, their voice stays almost the same in loudness and pitch throughout the conversation. It's like listening to a single, continuous note without any highs or lows. This style of speaking can sometimes make the listener feel bored or disengaged because the speech lacks the usual ups and downs that convey emotions and emphasis. There are several reasons why someone might speak in a monotone. For some, it's a natural aspect of their voice or personality. Others might speak in a monotone when they are feeling tired, uninterested, or detached from the topic. It's also possible that cultural differences or speaking habits contribute to this way of communication. Interestingly, in some cases, speaking in a monotone can be a deliberate choice to maintain neutrality or conceal emotions. Speaking in a monotone can have a significant impact on communication. It often leads to a lack of engagement from the audience, as the speech may come across as boring or unemotional. This is particularly important in settings where conveying enthusiasm, conviction, or empathy is crucial, such as in teaching, public speaking, or storytelling. Understanding the effect of monotone speech on communication can help speakers adopt more dynamic speaking styles to captivate and retain their audience's attention. If you find yourself speaking in a monotone and wish to add more life to your speech, here are some practical tips. Practice varying your pitch. Try reading aloud and intentionally changing your pitch at different parts of a sentence. Use body language. Gestures and facial expressions can add dynamism to your speech and help convey emotions. Slow down and emphasize. Slowing your speech and emphasizing key words can make your speech more engaging. Record and review. Record your speech and listen to it. This can help you become more aware of your speaking style and identify areas for improvement. Understanding and addressing monotone speech can significantly enhance your communication skills, making your conversations more engaging and effective. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of speaking in a monotone and provided you with useful strategies to enrich your speaking style. Remember, practice is key to improvement, so keep experimenting with your voice and expressions. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning and speaking!